konting anek sa mukha. Kasi nakakaya naman lumabas ng wala kang anek. Alam mo yun? Konting-konti lang. Parang natural lang na flush yung mukha mo. Hindi kami nakaswimming. Sabi namin mag-swimming kami. Umaga. Sobra na namin antok. Sobra na kaming antok, guys. At the free. Kain muna kami. Okay, bye-bye. Breakfast. Smile ka muna. Hi, Tin. Good morning, people! It's time to get ready na. Naka-charge yung phone ko. So, yung phone nga ni Tin ang gamit ko. The gown is there. Look at the gowns. So pretty. Here's the mirror na maganda. Tingnan niyo guys yung view. Hi guys! Mag-makeup na kami. Yeah, getting ready. Look at that. Bye-bye muna. See you later.
Magandang gabi! Big Alive! Philippines! Ang taray! Kahit sana ko lumingon ni Ellie, nakikita...
AirPods Pro 2. Grabe, AirPods Pro.
Big Alive! Philippines! Ayan. Congratulations to Ika Mo. Your contributions and impact have truly made difference in Bicol community. So let's give them one more big round of applause.
Thank you so much, Miss Aubrey, for helping us honor tonight's most impactful icon. This night has been truly inspiring, and we're so proud of all of our winners and participants. So, yeah, what a night we've been having.
Welcome to the Big Live Philippines Year-End Gala 2024. Prepare to...
Hi, Tina, ikaw. Waka. Bahay na. Yeah. Guys, last day namin ni Tin. So, date night with this view. I'm gonna show you the view, guys. Wait. Oh, hold on. That's it. Can you guys see that? So beautiful. The city's gonna break my heart on vibes. Bulldog with Molly and Sunny. Some chips. Pauwi na guys. Nag-aayos na guys. Hoodie from Biko. Kaya tamad na kami magpalit, bes. Uwi lang naman, bes. Okay. Ay, ang messy. Bye-bye. See you later. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alam mo yung gown niya, guys. Ano na. Bye-bye. Guys, wala pa yung sundo namin. Naglalakad-lakad kami kung saan-saan man. Tapos naka-jacket. Cute. Cute natin dito. Vlogging era. Nagrereklamo na siya. Ayoko na. Hi, Tin. Hi ka. Hey. Guys, naliligaw na kami. Naliligaw? Ang ate mo? Hindi ko alam kung bakit ka ba. Red light. Gago!